good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a good old chicken Philly cheesesteak, Big Tone's way. So hey guys, if you've never had one, you need to try it. But just sit back, relax, enjoy the video. But do me a favor. If you like this video, make sure you like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications, and make sure you share the video. So let's get started with some chicken Philly cheesesteak. So this is a very simple chicken Philly cheesesteak. Main ingredient, of course, chicken. Now the way I've cut my chicken, there's a couple ways you can do it. I just use a sharp knife and I cut it super thin as I can, almost like I'm shaving it or cooking something for like a Chinese dish or chicken and broccoli type of thing. But I cut it that way. The other way, put it in the freezer for a little while until it gets hard, and then you can shave it down like a Philly cheesesteak, like a steak would be. You can do it that way. But anyway, here's the chicken. I got 2 French loaves here, salt and pepper, butter, some Lowry seasoning salt, a little bit of garlic powder. Then I got a couple different types of cheese. I got some pepper jack and I got some provolone, smoked provolone. And then the vegetables I'm going to be using, some red bell pepper and some green bell pepper. There's also onion in there as well on the bottom. So we're going to be cooking those down. But that's all the ingredients. We're going to do this on a Steelmadeusa griddle. If you don't know about it, pay attention. I'll be telling you about it as the video goes along. So let's get started. Alright, so we're over here at the Steelmadeusa griddle. I'll put a little butter on here. And let me tell you a little bit about the griddle. Steelmade is a griddle I've had for a couple years. It's made right here in the USA, in Kansas. And basically just turns your flat top or your stove top into a flat top oven or a flat top griddle in a matter of seconds. So you can pick one of these up, and if you use my coupon code, which is the number 5 Big Tone, I'll display it here on the screen. If you use that, then you get 10% off whatever you buy at the Steelmade website. But if you just go down and click on my first link in the description, if you do that, it'll take you right to their website, and then you can purchase what you want. Make sure you use the number 5 Big Tone as your checkout code, and get you 10% off. Alright guys, so we're going to start here, like I said, with a little bit of butter here on the griddle. And the first thing I'm going to put on here is my vegetables. So I'm going to cook my vegetables down pretty far. I don't like a hard vegetable in my cheesesteak. So I'm going to cook these down. It's going to take a minute. So we're going to cook these all the way down till they're nice and soft. And we'll season them up here as we go. Alright, so my vegetables are cooking up nice. They're getting a little char on them. The onions are starting to turn a little translucent. So I'm going to season these up a little bit. A little salt. Hit them with a little black pepper. And then I'm going to glaze them just with a little bit of garlic powder. Not much. Just a little glaze. And we're going to mix these up in here. Continue to let them cook. Ah, yeah, smelling good. Smelling good. Like I said, if you want to get one of these Steelmadeusa griddles, all you have to do is click on the link below. It'll take you to the website, the first link below. It'll take you to the website. You buy whatever you want, put in my code, the number 5, Big Tone, and it'll give you 10% off. So go ahead and check that out. Let's get started with the chicken now. Alright, so I got my butter on. I put my butter in the middle because I had my eyes a little too high. So giving it a chance to cool down just a little bit. And I'm using quite a bit of butter just for the simple fact that I'm using chicken breast, not thighs, so I want to keep this nice and moist. So we're going to throw our chicken breast on here. Right away, I'm going to start seasoning it up. Pink Himalayan sea salt. Don't be scared to season this either. Nothing worse than bland chicken. Black pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. Some seasoning salt. Ah, yeah, smelling good in here. Alright, so I'm going to take my vegetables and move those to the middle. They're still going to cook, but just not at the rate that they were cooking. That's what I like about the Steelmade. You got different zones that you can work with. Throw a little bit more butter on the chicken. Melt that down. Got to keep that chicken moist. Ah, yeah. Ah, look at this chicken here. Looking nice, looking nice. So what I'm going to do now is combine my chicken and my peppers and onion. And we're going to let these cook. In the meantime, over here on this side of the griddle, put a little bit of butter down. And I'm going to take my my French bread here, my French loaves, and I'm going to grill this off. Just like that. Alright, so it's cooking up nice. We're going to take this and we're going to put a couple pieces of pepper jack cheese on this one. I'm going to save my other one and do it for a little later. Going to put our pepper jack cheese on it. And then we're just going to simply cover it up. Just like that. Let that cheese melt. And then we're going to throw it on our bun. I'll plate it up for you. We're going to have a chicken Philly cheesesteak. I want you guys to look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh my Lord, let me get this on some bread and plate it up for you. Whoo, give me a second. There you go, Big Tone's chicken Philly cheesesteak. Woo, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite, but there's no two ways about this. It's gonna get messy. If you're not getting messy with the Philly cheesesteak, you're not eating right. So let me get that bite. Good old Big Tone's chicken Philly cheesesteak. Woo! Boy, I can't wait to get my mouth around this bad boy. Hey guys, let me get that bite. And I had to cut this one in half. It's gonna get ugly. Look at that. That's awesome, guys. Hey guys, do me a favor. Go to the Steelmade website, click on the first link in the description. It'll take you over to the website. You buy what you want to. Enter in my code, the number 5, Big Tone. Give you 10% off. Tell them Big Tone sent you. And then also do me one last favor. It's totally free. Just make sure you like, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notifications, and share the video. Hey guys, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.